In this video, I'll show you the new integration section in tawk.to. We've redesigned integrations to make it cleaner, faster, and easier to use. Everything is now organized by category so you can find what you need without digging through settings. To find it, go to your tawk.to dashboard, click Administration, then Integrations. From here, you can browse by category, like messaging, e-commerce, CMS, and custom tools, and quickly spot popular options like WordPress, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and WHMCS. You'll also see integrations marked coming soon as they roll out, including Gmail and Duda, with more on the way. For active integrations, select the integration, then click the Installation tab to view the step-by-step setup guide. We're actively expanding this library, so if there's an integration you want to see next, reach out and tell us what you need. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.